Welcome to Dubai Deira Dhow Cruise. Just 50 dirham for 2 hours with dinner, Egyptian dance, and magic show and DJ dance.
I am here in the Dhow Cruise. Dhow Cruise in the creek.
Dubai or Abu Dhabi?
Where?
Where? Dubai or Abu Dhabi?
I am in Dubai.
Oh, really?
Dubai with you.
So what you are eating now?
Next time when we are in Abu Dhabi again. So let's watch us.
Okay, we are already started journey for 2 hours, and now we are ready to eat. So foods are available. So we will go in line and take our food. I mean dinner, and then we can see dance. Let's enjoy with us. Come. This Dubai Creek, one side is Deira, other side is Bar Dubai. So both side you can get this type of Dhow Cruise, different companies and different size of boats. But I like this one, so very good. This is the biggest one I think here. So let's go.
माइक का चाहिए माइक का कम ओके थैंक यू दिस इज लाइफ सर प्लीज होल्ड इट होल्ड इट ओके so ladies and gentlemen, this is a people because of it's a this is normal, right? Each catch anyone catch brother, catch anyone one more time, anyone brother. India, Sri Lanka, throw it down, only one, okay, please, only one, okay, catch anyone. Oh, great sir, so pick up down. Anyone. Because it's not large enough. This is empty hand. Second empty hand. Open your mouth. Eat this pie, okay? Open your mouth. Sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, 3 questions to that I have. Ladies and gentlemen, I have coffee side there. So there is a picture here, ladies and gentlemen. Right now. And take it outside. This is the black color, madam, right? Are you sure this is a black color? Can you come to me here, please? Red, very nice. Which color do you think? Red, very nice. Madam, please. Put it inside. Thank you so much. And take it outside, ma'am. Your favorite color. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is now. This color, take it outside. Ladies and gentlemen, and this is the empty back to everybody right now. And if you can clap for her, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Madam, please have a seat down. Request and request these people, please have a seat. Your pastor people can. Let's go from here. Nothing has happened there. Magic area. Right, the magic area. Magic area. This is still true, right? This is not. Yeah. Then let's open to everyone. Open 2 hands, please. Open 2 hands. You brother? Yes, very nice. Jacket. Oh, very nice. Yes. You like that one? See, who's thinking about our baby here? But it's the original, right? It's a fantastic. Everybody clap for, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, this is the original. How did you make that one, sir? It's a great. Everybody clap for, ladies and gentlemen. I believe you. You are a great magician. So, madam, take a little bit. This is wind here. Slowly shake it, madam. Slowly. Madam, throw up and catch. Oh, great, fantastic. And what color she has? Black. Very. So 3, 4. And just I'm touching for your dress, madam, and throwing to down. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is clothes and coming together, ladies and gentlemen. And see everybody here. Please give a round of applause for her. So thank you so much, madam. So please have a seat and just come with me here. Happy birthday. No, very nice, madam. Just, I repeat this of all people, so please, everybody to stand up. Everybody. This is our last perform. We can do this perform with our DJ and do evening memorable. So, all you say, this is game from everyone. It's a warm-up game, right? Ready? Hi! Hey, sir, you are great, sir. Fantastic. Hello! Hi! Hi!